Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another video of Dillenium Creatives, and today I'm going to share with you how can you easily animate a logo. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, so this is very simple easy technique that I'm going to share with you. So if you're a beginner and you are learning how to animate a logo, then you can apply these type of techniques to create instant logo animations. So let's start with me now. Before going into the details, I want to show you that last time I have created a character logo design. I have shared the complete design process of character logo design with you all. So today what I'm going to do, I will use the same logo design to create an animation. So this is very simple, very easy to do. So let's start with me now. So guys, first of all, what I'm going to do here, you can see that our logo design in Adobe Illustrator, and here I'm ungrouping all the layers and creating an individual copy of each layer and going to export it in a transparent file. Now going to export it, make sure the screen resolution should be 72 ppi and the transparent background should be there. We are not in the 300 ppi is not recommended because we are working on the screen resolution. So make sure that you have choose 72 ppi. Here I'm opening the Adobe Premiere Pro, creating the new project and just locating a part of our folder. Here all the images are there. File, here choose import and import all the files that we have created, and now open it. So here you can see that choose the project, and now what I'm going to do, here you can see that I've already created a background layer where I'm going to animate this logo. So here you can see that now going to apply this sequence. This is very important to apply a specific sequence. Here I'm using 1280 into 720, which is recommended for the YouTube, and it will also work on the Facebook and the IGTV as well. But if you are creating the video for the Instagram, the fair video size like 1080 into 1080. So this is very important to note down to create your animation. So here you can see that I have dragged the background layer to the timeline, and now going to add transitions here. So creating a dissolve, and so creating a dissolve transition by default. So I'm choosing the additive dissolve. This is with some fading effect here. So here what I'm going to do, I will choose the size of this video, 10 second, 15 second, or whatever you want to create. So it is very easy to define the size here, because when you so we will create all the layer within this timeline. So here I have created the 20 seconds here, so it will be quite easy for me to walk around the layers. I'm going into the effect control section, and here simply playing with the position, scaling and rotation. In these three areas I will walk on throughout the video, and I will show you how to create these type of simple animated effects. So first of all, here I'm choosing the background layer. Here you can see that I'm applying different position vertically and horizontally, and it is just adding a key points there. In the same way, I'm also playing with the scaling as well by adding different size of the scaling at different key points. So here you can see that how the video is going, how the image is going, how the background image is going. In the next is we are going to drag the head image into the timeline, and here I'm going to save, go into the effects control, and here choosing different position, scaling and rotation, and adding the key points there. Now extend the complete layer so it will be stick throughout the video, and at the end we have created the video transition effects. On another layer, that is the eye layer, and again I'm going to play with the position, scaling and rotation. First of all, in the first eye image I'm all simply playing with the position and scaling and adding key points. First of all, like it will be increasing in size and then decrease and paste in the exact position. You can see that after adding the key points how it will be working. Now extend the layer to keep it throughout the video, and again I'm going to create the same control effects. Now working on the another eye layer, just drag it on the timeline, and now I'm going to add some rotation here. You can see that the eye was rotating and then paste in a specific position. So here you can see that how the transition is going on. Extending the layer again to keep it throughout the video. Now working on another layer. Here choosing the mustaches part, again applying the same thing, but before that make sure that I have to add a video track here. Just going and add a video track, dragging the mustaches layer, now placing in a specific position, and again creating the video transition effects here. And so you can see that this is too big. Now going into the effect control section to create the video effects here, and again I will play with different key points with different position, scaling and rotation, so it will be look like this. So here you can see that how it will be going. Now you can see that how the transition, mustaches transition is going. Add a video track here. Going to work on the another layer, that is our text roller. Drag it in the timeline window and place it and extend the layer till end, so it will be there throughout the video. And changing the video transition, here I'm choosing the slide, apply the font transition as a slide. So here you can see that the text is sliding in the video. Applying video effects with different key points. Throughout the video I have played with the position, scaling and rotation. That's it. So this is the simple way to create animated video. So guys, here you can see that I have changed the video transition at the end of the video. So here you can see that I'm applying the same transition, sliding transition effect to every layer here. So here you can see that in image 1 or the head face section, what I have done here, I am simply creating some more embellishments here just to create it. So what I'm going to do, I have created a simple circular object with some feather effects here. So here you can see that this is a circular image with some feather effects. So I'm going to place it in the middle here, defining the size, so it will be look like this. So here you can see that, just placing it in the middle. How do you want to keep the transition will go on, then you can apply these type of techniques accordingly. To apply the video transition with some dissolve effect here, so here you can see that how it will be going. Now I need to work on the size of this circular feather effect. So here you can see that how it will be working like this. Now this is very simple, very easy technique to create an animated video. You can apply these type of techniques to any type of images or whatever you want to do. Here I just created the logo animation, so this is for that, but you can apply it to any type of image. So So now I'm going to show you the process how to export this video. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will simply look at output name and so now I'm going to export this layer. First of all, I'm choosing YouTube 1020 as a preset, and then I'm going to give it the output name, and then choosing the render at maximum depth, choose maximum render quality, make sure to make a check on that, and then you can apply bitrate encoding. I'm using CBR, it will be high in size, but you can also VBR1 or VBR2 as well. So here are the simple techniques to create, to export the video here. So here you can see that how it will be looking like now in execution mode. If you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.